Hi, you may be watching this video today because you're trying to decide whether you should hire an attorney to get your will drafted or trying to figure out whether or not you can handle doing it on your own. I have 3 questions that I think you should consider before you make this important decision, and I'm going to go over those with you today. Hi, I'm estate planning attorney Julie Paquette, and the first question that I think you should consider is, do you know what you're doing? Now, I don't mean this to be patronizing in any way, but really, when it comes to drafting wills, they can be pretty complicated. And for someone who is not trained in the law, you could mess something up. It could be something really simple that you overlook, which makes the whole document completely invalid. And I'm sure that's not what you want to accomplish when you're handling something as important as getting your will done. Okay, the second question I want to ask you is, do you want to save money? Now, I know a lot of people think, well, if I don't pay an attorney their fee, I'm going to be saving money. However, like I said earlier, you could very easily make a mistake, which winds up costing your loved ones a whole lot more in having to correct something or ending up going through the costly probate process, which is what you're trying to avoid. Okay, and the third question that I think you should consider is, do you want to avoid probate? A lot of people come in saying that they want to get their will done so that they can avoid probate. Well, the problem is, if you don't meet with an attorney and discuss your objectives, specifically avoiding probate, and you end up doing a DIY will, you could very well be sending yourself or your loved ones right through the probate process without realizing it because you don't understand how to plan for your assets to transfer outside of the probate process. Look, I know it can be very confusing and overwhelming when you're trying to plan for the transfer of your assets after death. And it may seem like a simple thing, getting your will done, but really, like I said, it can be quite complicated and it's easy to get tripped up if you're not exactly sure what you're doing. At our office, this is what we do day in and day out. So if you have questions, give us a call. We can set up a consultation for you and answer those questions.